Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back for another video. Today I'm doing an unboxing video. I feel like it's been a little while since I've done an unboxing. Like most of us, I am trying to list more on eBay and Poshmark, and I'm finding that I can't quite thrift enough items, only going thrifting like once a week to make my listing goals for the week. So I'm really happy to be able to have wholesale inventory come right to my door, and this is an unbelievable brand, a brand that sells equally well for me in men's and women's, and it's new at tag, and the brand is Everlane. Everlane is one of these brands that just consistently sells through for me quickly and for a great dollar amount. I got this box from Helpsy source, and I'll have a link and a discount code in my description section below this video. Always shop on Helpsy source or any wholesale place with a discount code. I got 15% off my order using a discount code, so please feel free to use my discount code or someone's discount code. Here's the information on the box. Then we're gonna open it up and see what you guys think, but I think I did really well on this one. Okay, I bought a box of new with tag Everlane women's denim. The cost of the box with my 15% discount was $153, and it had free shipping. So that means each pair of new with tag Everlane jeans is $15.30. Now you might say, Quenby, that's kind of a high cost of goods. It is, so you have to factor in what these can sell for. If you do a sold comp search on eBay, you'll see that Everlane jeans new with tag are selling, I'd say on the low end, $35 plus shipping, all the way up to $79.99 plus shipping, depending on the style. So let's just go conservatively and say I can sell a pair of new with tag Everlane jeans for $49. Okay, I have to deduct my $15 from that, so we're at $34. And then we have to deduct, let's say, Poshmark fees are the higher ones, 20%. I could still make $28 on each pair of these jeans if I can sell them for $49, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to sell these jeans new with tag Everlane for $49. I'm so excited about Everlane. Let me know in the comments, does this brand sell well for you? Do you find it often? I wish I found it more. And it's all the same brand, so I'll go through relatively quickly, but this is an Everlane size 27, the 90s cheeky straight. So that's cool. It's a current style. Are you guys still picking up skinny jeans? I'm still wearing skinny jeans, so if I see an awesome brand, I'll pick them up. But in case you haven't heard, I'm filming this in January 2023. Skinny jeans seem to be on the way out, and we're really going for 90s style, straight leg, relaxed fit jeans. These are a size 8, and these are the utility barrel pant. Oh my God, yes! Exactly what everybody wants. A high-rise jean. You guys, I think I'm going to do really well with this box. That is something that I like about Helpsy Source, is that you can search and buy boxes by brand. Like I bought an entire box of Everlane, but you could search by a different brand and buy by brand, or you can buy by category. In the past, I've bought their mature women's brand, so that brands box, so that has like J. Jill and Chico's and things like that, Eileen Fisher that I love. Wonder if there'll be anything my size. These are a 30 regular, and these are the way high jean. None of these are skinny, outdated jeans. You do have to know that they'll tell you right there on the Helpsy Source website that these have been in a warehouse environment, so some may have a little bit of issues. I haven't seen any issues so far. 29 crop, and these are an awesome watch. The 90s cheeky jeans. I'm really in like a size 32 jeans. I'm so pleased right now that these are current modern styles. The curvy cheeky jean, black denim in a 35. Yes. Size 27 regular. The 90s cheeky. So it seems like I got a bunch of these in different sizes, and they all look amazing. And I'd love to hear what you guys are thinking about this. The way high jean in a 27. Okay. Great wash on these. I love this brand. And this box is awesome. 33. See, these ones, for instance, these are a 33. They're a rich black color. These don't have the new tag on them. So, and I was prepared for that because I read the fine print when you buy any wholesale box. Is wholesale boxes right for you? I think that's a really individual question. Every reseller has to figure out how much capital do you have to spend? Do you have $150 to spend on a box? Can you source things where you live as much as what you want and as cheaply as what you want? Sometimes when you buy bulk, you get a much cheaper price per item. There's a lot of things to consider. These are a little bit of a mystery box. I mean, I knew what I was ordering, so it's not like a true mystery box, like a Thredup rescue box or anything. But there is an element of mystery because you don't know exactly what you're gonna get. You don't know what sizes, what styles sometimes. You can pay more money for something called a manifested box, and that's when they tell you exactly what you're gonna get. There'll be a sheet of everything that you're gonna get all listed out. And, but those cost more money because that takes them a lot more time to make a manifest for you. So this pair of 33 regular, the authentic stretch, are clearly new, but there's no tags on them. So I'll have to sell those as new without tags. Sometimes I'll put them as pre-owned just because I don't want to mislead anybody. And I've got a couple pairs of these, size 26 Everlane, the Relaxed Straight Organic Cotton. These are nice. They're in like an off-white color, and it looks like I have another pair. Different style, but similar color. Everlane size 4. Ethically made, radically transparent. They are a pretty awesome company. So this pair just has this one tag on it. So this doesn't have like the style name and all that, but I think they're one of the other styles, so I can compare. Extremely happy with that box. Now let's get out. Friends, please take this moment to subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. It helps me out as I try and grow this channel and bring more thriftings and unboxings to more people. And be sure you put that thumbs up button too. Okay, and since I'm in the unboxing sort of mood, so I'm going to include another unboxing. This is what we call friend mail. This is a mystery box that was sent to me by my friend Jane. Just because she said she wanted to do something fun, so she sent me a box. She sent me a box in the past. That unboxing I did with my mom, and that is up on the channel. So we're going to take a look at what she sent. Some stuff she said if I want to keep or if I want to sell it, that is fine. So I just can't tell you how grateful I am. It's like so thoughtful and sweet that somebody would put together a box for me and let me open it here with you guys. So let's take a look at what our friend Jane sent me. Okay, and there's a note here, and I just hope that by sharing this kind of friend mail with you and sharing the little story about it, that it inspires you to do some kind of act of generosity, some random act of kindness, and that doesn't always have to be gifts or money or expensive stuff. It could be sending somebody a little note or reaching out to somebody by text just to say, hey, I'm thinking of you, sending a hug your way. Just something that makes you feel good and makes the receiver feel amazing. So please allow yourself to be inspired by this as I am. Okay, so I'm seeing like absolute farmhouse cottage core type thing that I absolutely love already. Oh my gosh, I see embroidery. Oh, this makes me so happy. Jane also lives in Southern California, so we're both California girls. And this looks, I collect vintage quilts, as you can see, this one here. But I also recently picked up some modern quilt stuff too. I love the kind of farmhouse shabby chic style like this. I recently got some April Cornell pillowcases. This is Cozy Linen Home Fashions. Oh my gosh, look at this. So sweet. Now I have to show you the pillows. I'm just going to go over there. I'm going to grab the pillows that I picked up at a thrift store recently so you'll see how perfect these are. Okay, I'm not sure whether Jane remembers this video or if you guys do, but I picked up these April Cornell pillows, and to me they look like brand new. I forget they were $2 or $4. I didn't know they were April Cornell. I'll show you the tag if it's right here easily, which is a great brand to resell. I don't see or feel the tag in here right away, but I recognize just the style. I love a vintage farmhouse, but I also love a little romantic, shabby chic stuff too, so Thank you, these will fit perfectly in with my home decor. Okay, I see embroidery things and I see linen and I see a Free People tag. So I'm just like, I'm a little overcome with how good this is. My gosh, how am I gonna pay it forward? I will have to send something wonderful to somebody. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I think it's like a kimono top. A black lightweight, but with this heavy embroidery kimono top. See a linen piece, which being a California girl, I live in linen all year round. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh wow, this is soft surroundings, a great brand to resell, plus it's a big size. And this is, oh my goodness, a linen kimono. This is so perfect for layering. I'm gonna try everything on. Not everything will be perfect for me and I might have to sell it. So there's always a link to my Poshmark closet and eBay store in the description. If you fall in love with anything in this haul, this is Free People and it's a size large. There's a little bar tag. My favorite brand. I'm a Free People kind of Johnny Was girl. This is also new with tags. Size large is so much harder to find within the brand. So oh, look at this. Oh, it's a peasant top, but it's got a unique style. So it's a black top. It's a tank, but it has tons of pleating and draping. So this is the sort of thing that's gonna look fantastic on. Oh my gosh, I'm so grateful. I don't know if any of this, to be honest, is going to make it to my store and closet. I've admitted to this to you before. I am a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist, so I do have other streams of income, and I also sell therapy tools on Etsy. Have you guys been over to my other channel, The Grateful Therapist, where I do mental health videos? Anyway, if I had to rely on reselling alone to make my money and pay my bills, I would not be as willing to keep everything. But since since it's one stream of income, I can afford to keep the things I want to keep, wear them a few times, resell them if I choose to, hang on to them forever. It's a privilege that I have, and I have no problem doing it. Let me know. Are you the sort of person who's like, nope, I sell everything, I don't need to keep anything? Ooh, yes. Oh, it's my favorite color, Jane. My other favorite brand to sell is J. Jill. I've been selling so much J. Jill recently. This is a large and it's a linen piece. So this is like everything within the brand. If you're thinking, oh, maybe I'll be like Quimby and pick up some mature women's brands because they seem to do well. Look for larger sizes in J. Jill. You know, it has to be kind of a special piece or a very, very, very inexpensive piece for me to pick up for it to be a small. Look for linen and look for large sizes. Look for pure Jill. And this is my favorite color though. It's turquoise. People often comment on my turquoise jewelry. I bought most of it on eBay. This is a long tunic in the best color ever. Wow, this is overwhelmingly good. Oh, this looks like a quilt. Oh my gosh. If you've been watching my videos over the years, you've probably seen me pick up so many quilts. I love them. Old quilts, let me just get this over with. Choop. Old quilts don't have to be in perfect condition. I have tattered quilts from the 1920s and 30s. I have modern quilts that just are kind of vintage inspired looking. I just love a good quilt. Let's see what this one is. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think it's the wedding ring pattern. So this, I don't know how vintage or new this is, but it is so cute. I love to just throw these over the backs of chairs like you see here. You can use quilts in your decor in so many ways. You don't have to use them only as a bedspread. I have them kind of in my office tumbling out of big wicker baskets. I have them thrown over the edge of a bed. They make great throws and decorative items. You could also use them. So this is really, really sweet. It's so clean and nice. Ooh, another Free People piece. There we go, there's that bar tag, and this is a pretty classic piece for the brand. It's a sweatshirt, but then it has like sweater sleeves. It's very oversized. If I was gonna list this, I would of course use boho in my title. I always put oversized if it is. I always put measurements in my listings. But this is a really fantastic piece in a large, which I don't know how she found such bigger sizes because I have a hard time finding free people in large sizes. So thank you so much, Jane. I appreciate you. This has made my day. It's such a wonderful thing to do. Thanks for watching, guys, all my unboxings today. I hope to see you in another video, so please make sure you're subscribed and you like the video on the way out. I'll see you next time. Bye. This is the hardy part. I can't quite thrift enough items to be able to... I'm going to include another unboxing. I should say unboxing, not inboxing. Let's get this down a little. I'm telling you, this camera thing, I don't think I have it right. Oh, or for style piece. Uh-oh. Is it going to be blurry? I better start over because sometimes when this happens it makes blurry. What's this AF? Am I supposed to be doing that? Or is it this? There we go. I think that's better. But it must not be. I better start over just in case. And when